Okay. Okay, so I literally was on my way to film this video right here, a driving lesson, and I just got into a car crash. I mean, no one was hurt, my car is fine, but the irony of this is so unreal. Oh, hello!
Hi.
This is my driving lesson with Chaz.
I am an official driving instructor.
Who doesn't own a car.
I'm certified. Shh, don't tell him.
He owns a car.
Don't lie. Just don't say anything.
Please disregard my last comment.
So I have a license.
You do, and you're a pretty good driver.
I am a very good driver.
I've actually never seen it because
I've been
I don't
driving
have a car. Well, actually, I did when you bit through your chin.
Right. Yes. I was driving with blood leaking from my face.
We're creating a very good case for you right now.
I drove successfully with blood leaking from my face. I think that says a lot about my driving skills. I've been driving for
now. What does it say about
8
your
years now?
Well, what does it say about your basketball skills? I went to go watch his basketball game, was there for 5 minutes, Chaz bites through his lip.
I didn't bite through my lip, I got elbowed in the face. It was a bone that just jabbed into my chin.
It healed very well.
It did, look. So, look, this is it right now, and then Harrison Ford, Han Solo, and Indiana Jones, the guy who played those characters, he has the same kind of scar on his chin. You can Google it, look it up. Make a new tab on your laptop, but not right now because you're watching the video.
Yeah, please don't leave this video. I literally want to tell you guys this story. I am literally on my way to have this driving lesson with Chaz. Chaz has no idea, like, I just briefly told him on the phone and we all just start inching forward and this guy just like rams right into the back of my car. And instantly I was like, Lord, this is exactly why I bought a bike, so I didn't have to deal with this. And I was like, Lord, please. I was like, this is like the worst case scenario right now. And then we get out of the car, we go in the back, nothing. There's no damage to my car whatsoever. If you want to go back there, we can.
How hard was the hit? Like how much?
It actually,
did you jerk forward like that, or was it like?
Whoa,
like,
no, are you okay?
No, I hit my hand.
Oh, no, like it definitely was just like a jerk, but it hit hard enough that I definitely thought that there was damage. No damage at all. And so instantly I just go, can I hug you? And like, he had no idea, we didn't exchange names, no nothing. I was like, can I hug you? And then I was just like, and I grabbed his hands like this, and I was like, I just moved here from Pennsylvania. I thought there was damage to my car.
We really need some more light on my face. Like this is not going.
It's funny because I don't, like, you have the opposite issue with me. I need to be back because I'm too bright.
I'm chocolate though. Milk chocolate. Alright,
if you guys just saw that, comment milk chocolate down below.
Comment milk, hashtag milk chocolate for whatever. I don't know.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay, wait,
okay, wait, I just.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I hate you. Let's go. You
Rule number 1, never touch the doorknob when you get in for the first official driving lesson. That's why I did that.
Okay.
Rule number 2, put your seatbelt on, which you're already doing. Good.
Are you gonna put your seatbelt on?
I was waiting for you.
I just got into a car wreck. You might want to put it on.
We got 8,958 unread emails.
Yes.
It's not enough. Not an influencer until you that's the rule number 3 to driving lessons. You're not an influencer until you surpass 12,978 unread emails.
So we're about to start the driving lesson. We just wanted to go get food really fast. I wanted Starbucks and I still didn't get Starbucks, so we might actually stop there. The guy who just hit my car just Instagram DM'd me.
Oh, he's trying to slide?
He just said.
He said, oh, you kind of cute though.
He said best accident.
What's good with it?
No, he literally said best accident ever, laughing face, winky face.
Oh, with a wink though. With a wink though.
Wait, you just broke your own rule.
What? What you talking about? Rule number 1, never touch the doorknob when you get in.
You use the door handle.
Don't tell them.
Guys, I'm stressed. Driving in LA stresses me out. We just got to Starbucks. I just want to pick up some coffee and then we're officially gonna start. We've been driving for a while.
Skirt! What's rule number 1?
No. I hate you. I'm gonna hurt myself.
Do you need assistance, madam? Do you need help?
How do you do this? I did it.
Pathetic.
A few moments later.
Maybe I shouldn't have done this at first. I can't do this.
I feel like I should be providing some type of commentary, but this is good enough. Good job. All right, you ready to go learn how to parallel park? Whoops, never mind then. This is not, oh no. This is the opposite direction. Back up, back up, okay.
We're about to hit this.
Or not, you're good. All right, okay. There we go. Right, turn right.
This is a real thing.
Just let's slow down for a second. All right? We're on the sidewalk. We are on the sidewalk. Courtney, stop. Just stop the car, stop.
I want to go home.
Me too. I'd like to go home in one piece.
That was terrifying. That was really good content, but I'm so sorry. I had no idea.
It's alright. I just don't want to die today. Left. It's okay.
My parallel parking ideally is like when there's a big gigantic gap and I can just like weave my way in.
We're going to learn how to not do it that way.
I'm like so tense right now.
You can do it
unreal.
in front of your driveway because there's nobody there. All right, so yeah, you're gonna pull up next to this white car with your turn signal on. Click. You pull up right next to it, right? A little closer till the mirrors are lined up.
Like, you want me to be close to it?
The closer the better, because then it's less cutting once you start turning the car.
Okay.
But you want to line up the mirrors next to each other. And now what you're gonna do is throw it in reverse and turn the car all the way to the right, and you're gonna start cutting it. All right. And now, looking in this mirror, you should be able to see the curb. Can you see the curb at the bottom?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember exactly as my instructor told me.
Okay.
But I am the instructor, you know.
Yeah. Don't they teach you this?
Keep cutting to the right. And once I feel something goes out of view, I can't remember what it is.
Chaz! You're supposed to be my teacher!
Calm down, wait a minute. Hold on, at a certain point, you go cut the wheel all the way
chilling
back.
in the road.
Okay, all right, now turn it here. Turn it up. Keep going. Keep going.
I'm not straight.
Exactly. That's why you're gonna keep going. It's gonna straighten out. The wheel is already turned. Keep going.
Dude, this is so bad.
Oh, it's not. This is great. Cut the wheel more. There you go. Bam.
I'm in the middle of it.
No, you're not. You just pulled in. Like that was first try, and now move forward.
But don't I have like 2 feet of space?
No, that's what you. Hold on. How much space you got?
Wait.
About 2 feet of space. Yeah.
Okay, that's bad.
First try. Do it again.
Take two.
Do it again. Take two. You're gonna pull up for it like.
I'm like uncomfortably close to this car right now. Okay.
Okay.
I'm
now,
straight.
Good. Now you're gonna turn on the turn signal, put it in reverse, cut the car all the way to the right.
Dude, don't I have to go back?
No.
I'm gonna hit this car.
No, you won't.
I can guarantee you I'm
No,
gonna
you
hit this car. Wait, can you please watch?
I'm watching. You're not.
I already got into one rack. I just don't want another.
Slowly.
Dude,
Slowly.
I'm gonna hit this
You're
car.
not gonna hit the car.
So close.
Don't let it. You're on the steering wheel. Just don't hit it.
I'm either gonna hit this car or the curb. I have 2 options. Woo!
There you go.
We did it!
All right, cool. I'm not good at teaching this.
No, this is so bad.
I have a secret, guys.
He doesn't
I'm
own
not
a car.
actually
Actually, let me back up.
driving instructor.
Let me try to straighten this
My
out.
actual profession is I'm a YouTuber. You can go subscribe to my channel at youtube.com/ChazSmith. Link in the description. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See, I told you I'm a YouTuber. I know all the words and stuff.
Wait, dude, I'm stuck. Okay, guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my terrible driving. I did not hit a curb, which is it's a normal occurrence for me. I didn't hit a curb. I just went the wrong way on a one-way.
Yep, we didn't hit a curb, but we almost got hit by a car because she was on the other side of the street.
I call that an improvement, you know?
You know that, like, that gif of Viola Davis getting up from her seat? And leaving? That's me right now.
No. He broke his own rule.
Just kidding. I didn't use the door. I used the door handle by accident, so now I gotta do it again.
Retake. It's okay, you don't have to. Anywho guys, so that was today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little driving lesson over here. If you guys want to go ahead and check out Chaz, this is very distracting because I'm watching him on the viewfinder. But if you guys want to go ahead and check out Chaz's channel, you can totally do that. He is a hilarious person. I will have him linked at the end screen. I'll also have his channel down in the description box if you guys want to check that out. This is so distracting. Bye!